Hey. Hey, Angie. Do you have those photos touched up for our next product launch?
Hey, Emily. Did you notice that I was wearing my headphones and didn't want to be bothered?
Wow. Oh, okay. There was no need for that, but I will come back later.
Salty.
Hey, mind if I join you for break?
I don't.
Great.
And by don't mind, I mean get out of my face.
What crawled in your soul and died?
So salty.
Good afternoon, Angie.
It was a good afternoon until you spoke to me. Now that goodness is flying away.
What?
Bye-bye, good afternoon.
There's no need to be.
Bye-bye.
Extra, extra salty.
Hey, Angie, listen. I've gotten a few complaints from people today saying that you're being a little coarse with them.
It might be these new VapeWild salts that I've been vaping.
Oh yeah, it could be that.
Could be your breath.
Angie!
Saltiness